Welcome to the ProStructures Concrete Modeling Learning path. We will now continue with foundation placement. We'll start with pad footings, of which we have three types, A, B, and C. Let's select the pad footing tool and input the dimensions of first type of pad, 5 by 5 feet and 1.5 foot deep. For the option, the display class is 13 cast-in-place pad footing, the area class is 1 foundations, and description is cast-in-place pad footings. Now, place the pad footings by object, which are our columns. With A-type pads done, we can continue with the second type, which is 5 by 6 feet and 1.5 foot deep. The descriptions remain the same as with the previous pad. For B-type pads on axes 1 and 4, we can continue with width and length dimensions swapped and continue on with the placement. C-type pads are the biggest, 6 by 6 feet and 2 feet deep. Let's place them under internal columns of the structure. After this process, your structure should look something like this. We can now place strip footings by selecting the continuous footing tool from the drop-down under the pad footing menu. On the right of the pop-up window, we see a preview sketch of our strip footing. We can select the placement point at midpoint of top surface. Now let's input the dimensions of 2 feet and 10 inches width and 1.5 foot depth. As for the descriptions, the display class is 14 cast-in-place strip footing, the area class is 1 foundations, and the description is cast-in-place strip footing. Let's place the strip footing by points between two pads on axis D. We are now finished with foundations, and your structure should look something like this.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.